county in northeastern Illinois at 3:45 p.m.
At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elburn, or 9 miles southwest of Canton Hills, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roof, siding. Locations and tactics include Valley View, Elburn, North Aurora, Geneva, Big Rock, Kenville, Aurora, Batavia,
St. James,
Canton Hills, Sugars Road, South Elgin, Wayne, Montgomery, Lily Lake, and Elgin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the floor of the building. Elburn, or 9 miles southwest of Canton Hills, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Jamesville, Aurora, Batavia, St. John. Marriage and Elgin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
One of my Fridays, I thought about